In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can create a GIF in Premiere Pro. So you need to open up Premiere, and once you've got Premiere open, just go ahead and go File, New, and then go Project, and that will open a new project on Premiere. Go ahead and then click Create in the bottom right hand corner. Before you do that, just change the project name to whatever you need. I'm just going to call it GIF and then click Create. Once we've now created that project, we can now go ahead and drag media on. Now you can go ahead and go File and then Import, or you can just go ahead and drag your media on from your file explorer. But since we've got this window open, we might as well just go ahead and drag it in from here. So my video is on the desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this video, and we can then click open, and it's going to open that in the project explorer down here. You can then go ahead and drag that on to your sequence. So once you've got that dragged on, you can now scroll through this by selecting this blue line icon, and then obviously you can scrub through your footage. Now this is a video of people going up some escalators. So what we can do is we can use this as a GIF. Now it's important to note with GIFs, they can be any length of time, but a lot of websites won't let you upload GIFs over 6 seconds. So for the sake of the video, we're going to keep it at 6 seconds. So if you look here, you're going to see how long your clip is. So if you scrub through it, you can scrub through to about 6 seconds, and then you can go ahead and go to the end of the video. And obviously you can drag it and cut it down to however long you want the GIF to be. Alternatively, if you want a middle section here, you can go ahead and find the starting point. You can click C on the keyboard, and that will open up the cut tool. You can then cut where you want it to start, then find the ending point. Again, make sure you've got C clicked on your keyboard and you've got this cut tool. You can then cut, and you've now got a section here which we're going to use as a GIF. So this middle section. Now to get back to the normal tool, you want to click V on the keyboard, and that's going to take you to the normal tool. And you can then click on the end clip, click on the right clip, and obviously keep the one in the middle. So this is the bit we're going to use as the GIF. Now what you need to do is click I on the keyboard, and that's going to open this window here, this kind of like selection icon. From here, you can just go ahead and drag this to the start. So make sure this is at the start of your GIF. Then go ahead and click somewhere around the end of the video, then click O on your keyboard for out. So that's O. That will then create a starting point and an ending point. You can just kind of drag this ending point here to the end of your video. So you've only got your video highlighted. Now what I would do is just save your project. So go File, go Save. Now it will just save it in case you have any problems exporting it. Then go File in the top right, then go Export, and then export the media. Now it's going to open up a window where we can go ahead and change the file name if needed, and also the location. So I'm going to click on the location. I'm going to just save it to my desktop, and then you want to click on Save. So now we've done that, we need to go ahead and change the format here. So I'm going to change the format to animated GIF. Now we've done that, we should be all good to go, and we can click Export in the bottom right hand corner, and we'll just wait for that to export. Once that's at 100%, we will then have exported the GIF. And now let's take a look at our new GIF. So as you can see, here is the GIF. And there you go. That's how you can create a GIF in Premiere Pro. I hope that did help you out.